Thomas and Friends Steam Engine Celebration. Early one morning, Thomas chuffs out of Tidmouth sheds. Today is the first day of spring, ye peeps, which means it's time for the Spring Festival. Each year at the Scottish Castle, there are kites to fly, tents full of fun and games, and beautiful blooming flowers. Thomas loves to celebrate the arrival of spring, and he's determined to be the first engine at the castle. Wow, look at that. Thomas chuffs quickly toward Brendon Docks, where Cranky is loading cranes full of kites. James will pull the kites to the festival. Cranky hopes Thomas can help with the kites, but the little blue engine speeds past. Thomas certainly has a light load, grumbles James. Thomas is set on getting to the Scottish castle as fast as he can. There is no time for loading crates. Look at that. What's this? Thomas. At the construction site, Emily Loads has tipped. Rocky helps to get her back on track. These tents are too heavy for you to carry out to the Scottish castle, the big cranes say. I see Thomas coming this way. Maybe he can help you with your task. But Thomas doesn't slow down. He is far too excited. He peeps below and hurries past his friends and on toward the Spring Festival. At the Grand Gardens, Jax, the front loader, is stacking piles and piles of flowers for Rosie to take to the festival. Thomas peeps hello to Rosie and races on by. He is sure to get to the Spring Festival first. But where is the festival? Thomas looks around the Scottish castle. There are no kites, no tents, no flowers, and no friends. Suddenly, an idea flies into Thomas's funnel. Thomas chugs all the way back to Brendon Docks. He helps James pull the kites. He helps Emily haul the tents. And he helps Rosie carry the flowers. After all this hard work, Thomas is last to arrive at the Spring Festival. But he doesn't mind. The kites are flying, the tents are up, and the flowers are blooming. Best of all, Thomas's friends are here to share the celebration. This will be the finest Spring Festival of all. The Spring Festival.